Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 7X, and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all, we have to open the dialer because this is the place where we will enter all of those codes, and let me begin with the shortest one, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers connected and attached to the SIM slots. Let's tap on OK, and let me show you another code which will open the information about the device. It is *##, 4 zeros, ###. And as I said, we are in the About Phone section, so here we can check the model, the build number, both IMEI numbers again, or the ICC ID. So let's get back, and let me show you another code which will open the calendar info. So it is *##, 225, *##. And as I said, we're in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check those events because here they are grouped into particular sections. So let me get back and let me show you another code which will open the diagnostics which are provided by Google. It is *##, 426, *##. And as I said, we are in the diagnostics, so here we can check the server, host, port, time connected, or signal level. We can also tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon and tapping on advanced view, we can tap on status again. And here we've got much more info, so for example, the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. So let me get back to the dialer and let me show you the last code, which is also the longest one, and it will open the you'll see what it will open. It is *##, and let's focus right now. 2846579 ###. So remember 2846579. And as you can see, we are in the project menu, so here we've got 6 different options connected to our device. So here we've got some background settings, USB port settings, background debug, and so on. Here we've got some veneer information also, so we can verify the key. We've got the version information, so after tapping on it, obviously we will be able to check that. As you can see, we've got the bootloader version, the kernels, and so on and so on. Let's get back, and we've got also the network information query. So if you've got, for example, the SIM card inserted, you can check the information about the SIM lock. Here we've got the software upgrade also. We can restore the factory, and we can check the battery, for example. So as you can see, we can check the battery level, the status, so that it is charging, and that's true, as you can see, and the battery temperature. So, well, actually this is it. This is how to use secret codes in your Honor 7X. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.